Hi everyone, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to cover B in lieu of H1B and also how to get the work visa to the US, simple roadmap. So if you missed my videos yesterday, I was mentioning how you can get a student visa, so go back and check out the student visa video. And if you missed my first video a day before, I was talking about B visa, so how you can actually apply for B visa, what's the difference between B visa, B1/B2 and B and ESTA. So again, go back and watch that video as well. So let's talk about what is situation called B in lieu of H1B. Let's do this. Alright, so what is this B in lieu of H1B situation? Well, this is a situation if you are back home, employed, or you are the founder of the company, director of the company, employed by the company, and this company is sending you overseas, meaning to United States, to oversee a project or participate in sort of longer business meetings. While you are abroad, meaning in the United States, you are getting paid by the entity, the company in your home country. There is no way you are getting paid by US entity. If the US entity you are cooperating, maybe it's your affiliate partner, or maybe it's even your affiliated office, right? Incorporated in the United States under the same name. However, you are getting paid all the time by the entity back home, and that is called B in lieu of H1B. The maximum length of stay, as you know, on B visa is 6 months. You can extend 6 months to another 6 months within the United States. Again, I was already covering it the first day video I made 2 days ago, so go back and check that out if you need to consider extension, or if you are thinking to change your status from B to a different status, for example student or whatever. So, you know, you are in the United States, you are in fact working, but you're getting paid by the entity back home. And that is a situation called B in lieu of H1B. There is not really specific visa category that is called B in lieu of H1B. This is more evolved over time, because technically it's work visa, but it's not work visa, if you know what I mean. So if you need help with this type of visa, I do have a program where I'm step by step showing you what to do, how you apply it, what documents do you need. It's actually exact roadmap for you to be able to get this type of visa, and I'm also advising what to say during the visa interview, because it's very different than B visa, the typical standard B visa situation. So I do have a program and you can sign up. The link is going to be below this video. Now, many of you guys are emailing me, and some of these emails, you know, I don't reply because first of all, I'm super busy, and some of you are asking me for WhatsApp number, and you guys want me to talk to you for free, which is, I would love to, however, I can't afford it, because my time is limited. I have paid clients who need my time, and there's just no way for me to accommodate everyone, right? Last year my channel had over 1 million views, so there are many people who actually email us, which I really do appreciate. However, you have to be considerate that you have to understand, if you want to work with me, you have two options. You either book a consultation, which I charge 300 per 30 minutes, or you basically jump on a live stream, or you ask your questions below these videos, or you enroll to one of these programs, right? The purpose of the program is to help you out, and I took my time to design this program to actually show you step by step what you need to do. Or you can work with me one-on-one, which I do have premium price for that. So, and I'm very specific who I work with. I only work with 2 clients per month, and I only do E2 visas. I don't do anything else. I focus on creating more content because I want to reach more people. So that's how I do my business. So for those who are emailing me and asking me for the WhatsApp number and or someone writes, I have only one question. Well, you know, we get many emails and they say, I have only one question. You know what I mean? And if I have to answer the only one question, I would just be answering all those questions for free, and just it doesn't work like that. So I have time that I devote to paid clients, and then I do these free videos, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I'm free and my time is free and my work is for free. So again, if you need help, you can check out my programs. They are designed to help you out. Exactly, there is a blueprint. The difference between working, the difference between this YouTube content and these programs is that YouTube content is showing you, basically I'm disclosing the main information, so you know what information you need to know if you want to accomplish that particular goal, which is to get that particular visa. But if you want to actually get the visa, you know, there is a process for it, and you need to understand the process, you need to understand the filing process, and etc. So that is what these courses are about. And also these programs have experience, that my experience over the years, I put it together, so you don't actually need to hire a lawyer unless of course you want to, unless you want to work with a lawyer, and then of course by all means you can do that, but these programs are for a fraction of the cost. So again, I was gonna say, if you are looking for a way to work in the United States, simply put, guys, you know, I decided to do E2 visas because of my own experience. You know, I couldn't find a US sponsor. I couldn't actually, after I graduated law school, I couldn't find someone who would give me H1B visas, and then I actually, you know, I was forced to reinvent myself, and that's how I come up with the concept, okay, I'm going to do E2 visas, and then I realized, you know, this is something I'm going to do for others. And it's because, you know, it's rather difficult to find a sponsor for the typical H1B visas or H2B visas. And also there is a cap every year, so there is a maximum, there is a limit how many visas can be processed. And because of that, you know, it's rather limiting. And because of that, I come up with E2 visa solution, and that's why I'm really focusing only on E2 visas, because in my opinion, it's the best visas. So that being said, you know, if you want to work in the United States, of course you have options. You can maybe find a sponsor. I don't do H1B visas. I don't do H2B visas. I just don't do it. I focus on entrepreneurs. If you are an entrepreneur, you go with E2. If you are from India, for example, that is not a treaty country, because only people from treaty countries can apply for E2, then you can consider L visa. Again, frequently asked question. And L visa is typically situation when you first start company in your home country, and then you want to extend, and later after 1 year you extend and open up affiliated office in the United States, and then you go for L visa. So guys, I'm going to be actually breaking down this process next week. So if you are interested, stay tuned. I'm going to focus on E2 visas, and again, it's going to be the complete roadmap from A to Z. It's going to be a series of videos, so stay tuned. And I do also have a program coming up for people who are interested in business visas and also E2 visas and startup businesses, etc. So stay tuned. Otherwise, check out the program for B in lieu of H1B. The link is below. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you can receive weekly and sometimes daily updates that I'm releasing. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.